And today, Education Secretary Betsy DeVos insisted that schools must reopen in the fall and slammed plans for a hybrid of alternating days in the classroom. But the decision on opening up is up to local officials, and many are following advice from medical experts. CBS's Ben Tracy reports tonight from the White House.
President Trump tonight once again at odds with his own medical experts as he continues to relentlessly push America's schools to reopen.
We want to learn in the classroom, so our schools, we want them open in the fall.
He's also threatening to defund schools that don't open, though he has little power to do so, and criticizing the CDC's school safety guidelines, calling them very tough and expensive.
We don't want the guidance from CDC to be a reason why schools don't open.
Today, Vice President Mike Pence said the CDC will issue new guidance next week because getting kids back to school is essential to parents going back to work and helping the economy.
We just don't want the guidance to be too tough.
But teachers groups say the federal government isn't providing adequate plans for testing or funding to reopen schools safely.
So it's kind of unfair that we're putting the education system on the hook for bailing us out of this pandemic in terms of childcare and getting our economy moving again.
In South Florida, where infections are surging, the Miami-Dade County Superintendent of Schools said he will not follow a statewide order to resume in-person classes next month if conditions have not improved.
That's virtually impossible. It would be reckless.
New York City's mayor announced today he will only partially reopen the nation's largest school district in September, with students coming to school in person 1 to 3 days per week, an average class size dropping from 30 to between 9 and 12.
I feel for parents who are juggling so much. We're going to have to figure out more in terms of childcare.
Tonight, the Ivy League has canceled all sports programs until January due to coronavirus concerns. Now, other major college sports conferences are still hoping to play. It's just not clear how they're going to make that happen. Nora?
Ben Tracy, thank you.